Greetings, everyone. I did just move to Portland, Oregon, and I uploaded a video explaining the process of the move. But let's not waste any more time since I'm already late on this review. Today we're looking at the Adidas Humanrace Sichona Royal Blue by Pharrell Williams. This sneaker released on August 27th via the Confirmed app for $180 US. And you already know what that means. If a sneaker drops on the Confirmed app or Sneakers app, just count that as an automatic L for me. I didn't get selected for this pair on Confirmed, but after the move to Portland, I just decided that I would go for this pair via resale. And I was able to grab this pair in my size, a size 11, on GOAT for $300. A little bit more than I wanted to pay, but I really did like this silhouette. It's always cool to see something new being brought to the table, and for people as creative as Pharrell and Kanye, that's all I want, is just constant streams of new silhouettes being brought to Adidas. We first saw Pharrell sporting an orange pair of the Sichona back in 2020, and more recently we saw that he was gifting friends and family with a green pair, and now he's gifting us regular people with the blue pair. The name for this shoe, Sichona, means connecting to earth. Now let's get into the details of the Adidas Humanrace Sichona. You'll instantly notice this sock-like prime knit base for the sneaker. It's a beautiful Sonic the Hedgehog-like royal blue with various streams of knitting going around the base. And you just have that red accent of the Humanrace branding right there on the lateral side. The base makes me think of the Yeezy 450, especially when you flip it to the front and you see the way that these lace loops are crafted into the prime knit. Luckily on the Sichona, there's no fingers coming up from the midsole and causing discomfort. While we're on the laces, you will notice that these are reflective, so they will shine when hit in low light. And this pair also comes with a spare yellow pair of laces. So if you feel like throwing in another accent color, you have the ability to get creative with these. Right above the laces, you have an aqua pull tab that displays the Adidas logo, and this just helps you get your foot in and out of that sock liner. So the Sichona silhouette borrows from the Adidas Future Natural, and as you look at the Sonic Ink colorway, this really just looks like a Pokemon evolution of that shoe. Adidas does a great job of merging the upper into the polyurethane midsole. It's really a blurred line. And the midsole is gorgeous, very squishy, but my favorite part of the shoe has to be this shark fin on the rear. No reason for it at all, but I feel like when you have off-the-wall designs like this, they're often the designs that we appreciate the most. On the fin, you just have the periodic table of elements Humanrace logo, HU. Now flipping to the outsole, you have rubber traction with the Humanrace logo embossed and punched all over the sole, and then you have that Adidas logo hiding there in the middle. And the outsole is actually meant to look like the human foot. The insole in green displays all of the pressure points of the foot, and you have some Adidas branding there at the rear. And you'll notice that this sizing tag is here on the insole, and it just says to flip under when you're wearing it. And I might as well show you guys the box. It's not your everyday sneaker box. The Sichona comes in this sleek blue box with the Humanrace logo on the top. It does make me wonder, with this being the royal blue pair, for each pair, are they going to change the color of the box? And you also have some holes on opposing sides of the box. Okay, so we've talked about Pharrell's Adidas Humanrace Sichona Royal Blue. Now it's time to throw these on foot and see what they look like.
Little baby, we doing a thing, yeah. Girl, you need to show 'em your way. Girl, you got it going on, and can't nobody else take your place. Oh, sweet baby, let your light shine. Sweet baby, let your light shine. Sweet baby, let your light shine. Sweet baby.
Now we have to talk about sizing for the Sichona. I feel like it's a must that you go true to size. Don't think of these like the Yeezy 450s or Yeezys overall. You can certainly go true to size in these and you will have your ideal fit. Now, of course, this is different if you have a wider foot. You will want to go up at least a half size. But if you don't have a wide foot, true to size is the way to go. I've seen some people who do not have wide feet still go up half size, and it looks a little bit goofy. They have like some extra space and some extra wrinkling going on. I wear a US size 11 and of course purchased these in a US size 11, and the fit is perfect. But I really like this shoe, and I know that the burgundy pair released today, the 17th, when I'm recording this, but I just feel like the royal blue is a must cop, and it's the OG. OG! Royal blue sneakers are always so cool. They always make me think of the foam posits. We'll certainly see more pairs coming out, so if you weren't able to get the Sichona in royal blue, you will definitely have more opportunities to get the Sichona in other colorways for retail price. I think these are best worn with shorts, but you can also pull off some fits, making these hit against some joggers. Get creative. Matter of fact, don't even listen to me. Cut this video off. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of Pharrell's new Adidas Humanrace Sichona Royal Blue. Did you pick up a pair? Do you even want to pick up a pair? If you did get them, are you planning on rocking them with the blue laces or with the yellow laces? Let me know all of that in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment, yes sir. Thank you guys so much for your time. I always appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.